dog Javi produced that one, is it?
Ambassador Music.
Yes, my viewer subscriber, it's your boy Stola. Welcome to Real Talk. Viewer subscriber, you see, when it come to an alkaline video, me no love to run out and just review it, because alkaline do certain things between the line, and the video ya tell you all heap of things. So me want to sit down and meds it before me say something. Right now, we don't know say Ocean Wave drop long time, but the video drop and it wicked, and it we are going to talk about. Let's jump in on it. Meds.
You know, sister, we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your son, Lord, explosion, and we make the commotion.
Viewer subscriber, you see that video yeah, you can meds it in a many different concepts, but this is my concept. You see the little youth, him a play Ellen Bartley. Him have a dream to be alkaline, but him don't reach that level there. So him a make you know say him a come from this one bedroom place where mama squeeze up over here so daddy squeeze up over here so him over there so all him little corner. Him have a dream and a plan, and the dream and the plan him have is to come to be alkaline. Meds.
They even dance with them, watch we have emotion, deep and we slow down there. We do it first, got them soft like lotion and waves like the ocean, yeah. When I never see a phone sound, never see a phone sound strong.
Viewer subscriber, when you hear alkaline say you never see a force so strong. The dog I tell you say you see when you have self-belief, when you have self-confidence, when you have self-strength, when you have that dream, see that you go for, you never see a force so strong. It's like the ocean wave, it run by itself. So it alkaline and make you know say, him have the dream, him have the plan. Daddy and mommy set the foundation, but him have to come build it, and him have to come set it. And that's why the dog I tell us say you never see a force so strong, because him know what him want, and him know what him a go for, and him know say him a go reach there so. Meds.
Never the time for rely on people to make my move, and never saw me grow up. And I know say me hype, I know you're probably right, but if you don't have no pride, I guess anything goes. Me I live my life telling me I'm on. I used to be that little kid, now I am the grown.
Viewer subscriber, you see the little youth Ellen Bartley, we have that dream there. Him a tell you say him don't have time for rely upon people and so him grow, because there's a foundation set for him and him have to come build it. You remember when in a Scarface, him tell him Virgin say, make your money and everything else will come. And that alkaline I tell you yes so. Alkaline I make you know say as a little youth we have him dream, him know say if him put paper to pen and come be alkaline, everything else will follow. Friend will come, girl will come, house will come, mama and daddy good. And at that the dog I tell you. So when the dog I tell you say, yo, him don't have time to run up and down out there so and deal with the hype thing. Him don't in a them thing there. The dog say him got ambition. And the ambition of him make mama and daddy come out and wed them there. That me love with that. Dog gonna have to read them thing. And that's why me love alkaline dog. Meds.
Think my life did so rough. Skinny nigga did that talent but never have no luck, so rough. My father get laid off, now have no up. Did have to turn a man from best, so now my life sweet like a donut. You know I wouldn't change a thing. No choose the amp lose a couple times before you win. Oh yeah, I pop bottles, pop models. What my story have a happy ending like the novels. Yeah, in a castle I'm eating apples. I look out pan the sea, I show me youth them how would we create waves like the ocean.
Viewer subscriber, right here so Ellen Bartley become alkaline. The dog sit down was supposed to be the foundation of the veranda. And the dog I make you know say yo him father get lay off. But you see when him father come out of the car and look pan him and give him that look there, him know say everything done. The dog say him have talent but don't have no luck. So when him pull off him shirt off of the line, him know say him have to go find that luck there. Because you see your past is the creator of your future. So you have to do that and you have to know that. So when you see alkaline say, yo, him have to grow up. Him have to grow up. And it now him become alkaline. When him can pop buckles and models and do what him want to do. And make mommy and daddy sweet. That me I tell you. Ghetto boy know ghetto living and can tell you no ghetto way. Meds.
All over the world, them a wait me banner. Fans a come out and a support me and bad mind I wonder what's so special with a man ya. Tidal wave, you no see up under the cabana. We a create big wave and a flood the whole place. If me no make it out, show the kids my face. Tell them how me stay and how me stuck in my ways. Go on like say them no like who but them rate way anyway. Cause we create big waves like the ocean, yeah.
Viewer subscriber, when Alkaline say the hurt there pan him father face, I know say everything seem like it done right here so. And that's why the dog jump on him bicycle and go up on the hill, go all the meds. So when his mother come out and see him book and pen there, and a meds it and I say boy I saw he go. You see me? Because the foundation of the family is very strong. So the mother feel him pain also and come out. But Alkaline go up on the hill go meds. Because him know say, you see when him come off of that hill, know say, in him heart, him have to go create wave like the ocean. And that's why him up there all the meds. And that's why him up there, I set the formula. How to do it. Meds.
When you're there, better than you some load explosion and we make the commotion there. They haven't dance, but them watch we have emotion. Deeper we slow down there. Do it first, cause them sound like motion and waves like the ocean, yeah. We never see a phone so strong. We never see a phone so strong.
Viewer subscriber, when you hear Alkaline say you never see a force so strong, the dog attack the foundation, the strength of him family. That's why his mother know if he run go up and hill go find him. But when the mother see the windbreaker, she knows say something wrong. But the dog left a message and a clue there so. Cause the dog say, you see, when me come back, mommy and daddy, me I go create wave like the ocean. Uno set. So the watch nothing. Viewer subscriber, me have to say X amount of respect goes out to KD. The video is tough. Alkaline, the story. Dog, me feel it in my heart. Viewer subscriber, as me telling them, me a ghetto boy, me know exactly what Alkaline I talk about. Meds. Viewer subscriber, you remember when me tell you say Alkaline left a clue? At the clue that the mother find in the pocket. Him gone. But when him come back, him a create wave like the ocean. Viewer subscriber, me can't stop talk how much me love that video. Yeah. You left it in the comment section and tell me what you think about the video. Because we don't know what the song I say. Tell me about the video and see if the video match up to what Alkaline I said. Dog, me give the video 100. KD, me say 100. Alkaline 100. Viewers and subscribers, it's your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, dog. When I say nothing, create wave like the ocean. Meds. We out.